Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop link if you're in FM World that you can add to your personal profile photo, to your cover, even to add it to your bio on Instagram or on Facebook. And this really means that you can get sales when you're not there, so people can just click on it and shop, making it even easier for people to have a shopping experience with you and purchase products. So if you're in my team, go to Momentum or go to the First Steps group if you're a new member. You will see this is always there. And this is the link to your shop. It's a free shop, and if you're in distribution, that's in Ireland, Greece, or America, any of the teams like that, you have to also add to this profile photo your ID number so people can shop with you. So the link's there for that too. So we're in the UK, we're going to get UK customers. So we're just going to Control and C. If you're using a computer, you just need to copy that first part down and add that /. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your personal profile. I've already got this on my photo, but we're going to add it to the cover. So tap your cover, click edit, and then under my free visibility challenge, I'm going to write shop with me. There we go. And then Control and V to paste it. And then you can see I've got the / there after partner. I'm going to add my ID number. You can add your additional IDs too. Let's have a look. There we go. Finished editing. And that's it. So now that what means is if anybody clicks my photos, they can just simply click on that link there and it's going to take them directly to my shop. And that makes life so much easier. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can add that link to a tap bio, because it looks much neater when you have just a simple link like this. This is my website. I have a landing page on there. But if I put a Linktree on there, I'll show you what it'll look like to people. It just keeps everything a lot more tidier. And also, if you set your personal profile to public, you can then also add additional links on the left to your Instagram, direct them to your groups and wherever you want them to go. So I have a join my team link that takes them directly to my registration form, my order books, my Instagram. But again, that's what your Linktree does. It's going to basically put all those where you want to direct people into one thing. Right, so let's go over to Linktree. Now, I've not touched this for ages because I actually just use my website. I have a page on there. So let's tidy this up. So as you can see on the right there, that's what people are going to see the minute they click on this link. I'm just going to move this up so you can see. So you're going to copy, this is your link after you've, opened an account there. So you need Instagram to log into one of these. So even if you've just got Instagram for this, it's worth it. So you just, again, if you're using computer, Control and C, and I can then copy and paste that over to my bio. I can paste that to Instagram on this bit here. And you just go to edit profile and you can drop your link on there. And that means that whenever anybody taps on that link, they're going to see this image. So I've got who is me. So that's just going to tell them everybody about the journey and everything. 3 to 5 day challenge. I've got my blog and join my team. So you can then put a brochure link on if you wanted to, or your shop link. So let's have a look. Just let's put a shop link on. So all you would need to do is click add new link. Where's it gone? Still working away. Right, let's just use this one. So we're going to call this a shop link. I'm going to put the URL in, and put my ID in. And that's it, it's set to green, so let's just give that a refresh. Let's knock it off. Put it on again, and then that should pop up here. As you can see, internet's working away. There you go, it's there. So I've now got a shop link on there, and I can click it green if I want to take it off. There we go, it's gone. Put it on. So you've got complete control what people see, but just be mindful, if you put too much on, people might click off because there's just too much choice. So make it nice and simple. Put 3 on and put 4 on, and that should be enough. And then, as I say, you can just copy that link on the top from your Linktree and paste it onto your bio on Instagram or onto your bio on Facebook. and you can even put it onto these pictures as well. Just edit them. So I hope that helps. So yeah, get sharing that link.